Yeah, 4p.
Good enough.
Yep.
Where's your home from? Who met you at Keely, Rachel, Matt.
She's our newest first year.
Oh, how new? When did you start?
Just started general phase.
Yeah.
Just started general phase.
January.
General phase.
General phase.
General? Mental phase? General phase?
Oh, gotcha.
First year? Yeah. So week 9 or something?
Yeah, okay. So you FTO? Oh, yeah.
FTO trained?
You did the recent one?
Yeah.
Tyra's in the training station, so don't send us.
Yeah. Pretty good. Just get her to do everything.
Pretty much.
As you see, there's a arrest warrant for this fella.
Nothing plowing through it. Is it just for the COVID attack?
Yeah, I think so. Hello, hello. Hello?
Hey buddy, what's the what we got?
He shot Rachel, I believe. I think she's dead. She shot him, I think. No, he's still walking. He's trying to walk around me.
She shot him?
Oh no, she shot at him. There's 2 of them. They've got Matthew's gun now. Okay.
Hell, mate, hang in there. What about the other 2? You got eyes on Keely and Matt?
Matt's not moving. Rachel's not moving now. And Keely I haven't seen.
Where, and you're all pushing behind a tree?
Yes, but he's walking over. There's 2 of them.
Walking over towards you?
Yeah. What do you want me to do?
Mate, you got to look after yourself, buddy. All right, stay behind that tree. That's the only thing you got between him and her. And between you and him.
Yeah.
You got long rifles?
Yeah. Long rifle and Dylan's Matthew's pistol.
Hang on, mate. Stay on the phone. If you got to drop the phone, look after yourself and protect yourself.
Yep. They're just camped up. Just both of them.
Mate, have you got any more trees behind you?
Nah, not a lot. Not a lot. He's coming over. Should I run?
Have you got trees behind you and you move trees back to the car?
Yeah, maybe.
Mate, do they know where you are?
Yes, they do.
Mate, can you, obviously scramble from tree to try and retreat out of there?
I'll try.
To try and do that?
I can try. Want me to do that? They're coming, they're shooting.
The other 2 officers.
You good? I think I'm being shot. Hello? I'm in the car, driving away. Oh, I can't hear because of the firearm shots. Oh. Hello?
Are you there, buddy?
Yeah. two of them. I think I've been shot. I don't know where. They've got multiple shots on the window of the car, but I had to drive away a bit. I've lost the shoe. I've got blood on my face. I don't know where I've been shot.